We are now approaching the woodblock building, Leominster, Mass. And we're going to celebrate my first recorded professional elevator ride. Here we are, woodblock building. And here's the elevator. It's an Otis Series-1. We'll put on our helper light, which it's not going to do a lot for us, but it's going to help. So you can see, it's an Otis. Look at this floor counter. Lower level, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. That's because there's odd number floors and Series 1 indicators come in pairs. There are your buttons, floor buttons, fail card, 125 feet per minute, 2,000 pounds. There's your phone. Take her for a spin. You can shut this off now. Hi. And there's Sony autofocus doing its thing. Maybe that might help a little bit. Here at 4, pre-door. Door closes when we push the button. I love that. The 4 is burnt out. And it's really hard to see any of the detail, but here it is. There's the carpet. It's mahogany paneling, by the way. And there's your panels there. I just want to show you that again. 3, 4, 3, 2, lower level at 1. Someone's right there, so we gotta kill the light. Here's the pre-door. Oh, no one was there. And there it goes. That was the elevator. Hope you enjoyed it.